Hi there, I am Teacher Daryl. I am a teacher here on Cambly. Today, we are going to do a lesson all about the days of the week. By the end of this lesson, you will know all 7 of the days of the week and all of their special names. And I have 2 other teachers who are going to help me. I have Teacher Yellow and Teacher Sparkle, and they are going to talk later to help you remember the days of the week. And I want you to say them with me. The number 1 day is Monday. The number 2 day is Tuesday. The number 3 day is Wednesday. The number 4 day is Thursday. The number 5 day is Friday. The number 6 day is Saturday. The number 7 day is Sunday. And those are all the days of the week. And now we are going to have Teacher Yellow and Teacher Sparkle help us remember those names.
Teacher Sparkle, what day is it today? It's the number 1 day, Teacher Yellow. The number 1 day? What day is that? The number 1 day is Monday. The number 1 day is Monday. What can we do today? Today, we go to school. What about the number 2 day? The number 2 day is Tuesday. The number 2 day is Tuesday. What can we do today? Today, on the Tuesday, the 2 day, we can eat 2 pizzas. 2 pizzas? Wow. What about Wednesday? Wednesday is the number 3 day. How many pizzas can we eat on Wednesday? On Wednesday, the number 3 day, we eat 3 pizzas. Wow. What about the number 4 day? The number 4 day is Thursday. What do we eat on the number 4 day? On the number 4 day, we eat 4 hamburgers. It's Thursday. Wow. And what do we eat on the number 5 day? On the number 5 day, which is Friday, we eat ice cream. I like the number 5 day. Yes. What about the number 6 day? The number 6 day is Saturday. And we can be sat down watching TV. TV. Yes. And the number 7 day? The number 7 day is Sunday. And on Sunday, the 7th day, we can have fun. Sun is fun. Sunday is fun day. Yes. Let's go.
So that is our lesson. Thank you for coming and learning. To those of you who don't know what Cambly Kids is, it's a great place where you can meet people like me, like Teacher Yellow, like Teacher Sparkle, and other fun teachers, and you can learn lots of things. So ask Mom or Dad to sign up, and if you want more with us, click in the link below. Until we see you in another class, we're going to say bye for now.